Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to take some problems on heat equation, that is applications on heat equation. So problem is, find the temperature in a bar of length 2 whose ends kept at 0 and lateral surface insulated if the initial temperature is sin pi x by 2 plus 3 sin 5 pi x by 2. So how we solve this problem in exam, how we identify, we have to use here heat equation, wave equation or Laplace equation. So question A, find the temperature. Means this is the this problem is on heating. You have to find temperature in a bar given, a bar is given, then use heat equation. So we have to solve here. If vibrating system is given, then use wave equation. So we have to solve here heat equation. Dabba u by dabba t is equal to c square into dabba square u by dabba x square, subject to the conditions. Subject to the conditions here mention a, find the temperature in a bar of length 2 given a, whose ends kept at 0, means here suppose length of this bar is 2, okay, and ends kept at 0 degrees centigrade, means subject to the condition u of 0t, means when x is length, okay. So when x is equal to 0, temperature 0 given a. Also if you take length 2, u of 2t, that is also 0 given a, and initial temperature given. Initial temperature means at time t equal to 0, initial temperature given, that is u of x0 is equal to sin pi x by 2 plus 3 sin 5 pi x by 2. So these conditions are very important for solving problems. देखो यहाँ पर क्या बोला है उन्होंने, फाइंड द टेम्परेचर इन ए बार ऑफ लेंथ 2, मीन्स बार ऑफ लेंथ 2 गिवन है एंड हुज एंड्स केप्ट एट 0, मीन्स ये जो एंड है, एंड में टेम्परेचर 0 है, तो एंड में लेंथ क्या रहेगी 0, and if length is 2 then also temperature is 0 given है. एंड इनिशियल टेम्परेचर मीन्स एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 0 के लिए टेम्परेचर गिवन है साइन पाई एक्स बाई 2 प्लस 3 साइन 5 पाई एक्स बाई 2. एंड फोर्थ कंडीशन वी कैन टेक u of xt is finite. U of xt is finite means temperature is always finite. Now how to solve this heat equation? We know that most general solution of heat equation is, so the general solution is, what is general solution जो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने प्रूव किया था, u of xt is equal to c4 cos mx plus c5 sin mx into e to the power minus c square m square t. So this is the general solution of given heat equation. We have to use this solution directly for solving problems. Now using first condition is u of 0t equal to 0. U of 0t equal to 0, if you put here, then this becomes here, देखो u of 0t means x equal to 0 and keep t as it is here. So c4 cos 0 plus c5 sin 0 is 0 into e to the power minus c square m square t. इसकी वैल्यू क्या दी, ये 0, मीन्स ये क्या हुआ u of 0t, ये जो u of xt, इसमें x की वैल्यू 0 पुट की तो ये मिलेगा, ओके. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 सिंस e to the power minus c square m square t is not equal to 0 and therefore c4 equal to 0. हर हीट इक्वेशन में फर्स्ट c4 0 ही मिलता है, ओके. सो c4 equal to 0 and therefore given heat solution is, or solution of that heat equation is, put here c4 equal to 0. If you put c4 0 here, 0 plus this, that is c5 sin mx e to the power minus c square m square t, okay. Now next target is our m, and how we find m here, देखो हमें 1 by 1 कंडीशन पुट यूज करनी है. जहाँ पर x मीन्स लेंथ 0 होती है उससे पहले c4 फाइंड करो, जिसमें नॉन जीरो लेंथ गिवन है, मीन्स यूजिंग कंडीशन 2 इज u of 2t equal to 0. So this implies if we put x is equal to 2 here, इससे हमें m मिलेगा c5 sin 2m into e to the power minus c square m square t, इसकी वैल्यू क्या आई 0, but c5 into e raised to minus c square m square t is not equal to 0, and therefore sin 2m equal to 0, and sin 2m equal to 0, we know that sin n pi is 0 for all values of n. Here n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Okay, so this implies 2m is equal to n pi, and therefore m is equal to n pi by 2. Take here n starts from 1 instead of 0, because if we take n equal to 0, then we get total temperature 0, because sin 0 is 0. So n starts from 1 here, and what is the value of m? M is equal to n pi by 2. This is very important. यहाँ तक आपको हाफ मार्क्स मिलते हैं. m equal to n pi by 2. Put the value of m in equation 1. So therefore equation 1 becomes u of xt is equal to c5 into sin mxa. So m is n pi x by 2 into e to the power minus c square m square. M square is n square pi square by 4 into t. And what is n here? N equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now observe this carefully. If you put n equal to 1, then n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4 and so on, then ये जो constant c5 है, c5 constant क्या होगा, इस solution के साथ vary हो जाएगा. n equal to 1 के लिए vary होगा, n equal to 2 के लिए होगा, n equal to 3 के लिए हो गया. So if we combining all values here, combining all values for n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on, then we can write this temperature u of xt is equal to summation of n varies from 1 to infinity. ये जो c5 है ना, c5 की जगह पर लिखता हूँ मैं bn, बिकॉज n कैसे वेरी हो रहा है 1 से इन्फिनिटी तक. सो bn साइन ऑफ n पाई एक्स बाई 2 into e to the power minus c square n square pi square t by 4. So this is equation 2. Now this is our required temperature. So when we say that this is our final answer, if we get this bn, so what is this summation of bn sin n pi x by 2 into something? So this is the half range Fourier sine series, and half range Fourier sine series रही तो हम bn कैसे फाइंड करते थे? मल्टीवेरिएट कैलकुलस में हुआ, bn का फॉर्मूला था 2 by l 0 to l f of x sin n pi x by l dx. Now how we find this bn? For that we have to use initial temperature here, and initial temperature means u of x0. Put t equal to 0 here. If we put t equal to 0, then we get summation of n varies from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by 2 into e to the power 0 1 हो जाएगा. एंड e of x0 की वैल्यू प्रॉब्लम में गिवन है, क्या है वो? sin pi x by 2 plus 3 sin 5 pi x by 2. So put here, so this is equal to sin pi x by 2 plus 3 sin 5 pi x by 2. This is given in problem. Now for bn we cannot use here this formula. No need to use this formula here. Why? Because if you observe LHS and RHS, in LHS if we expand this series for n equal to 1 to infinity, then we will get first b1 sin pi x by 2 for n equal to 1 के लिए, plus b2 sin 2 pi x by 2 plus so on b3 sin 3 pi x by 2. यहाँ पर sin 5 है ना, तो 5 तक expand करो, plus b4 sin 4 pi x by 2 plus we want b5 sin 5 pi x by 2 is equal to sin pi x by 2 plus 3 sin 5 pi x by 2. Now observe here LHS and RHS. If we compare LHS with RHS here, sin pi x by 2 its coefficient is b1 here, and here sin pi x by 2 its coefficient is 1. So from this we can write b1 is equal to 1. Same, sine 2 pi x by 2 is not there, so b2 is 0, because in RHS sine pi x is not there. Directly sine 5 pi x by 2 is. So if we equate coefficient of sine 5 pi x by 2 with LHS, then we will get directly b5 is equal to 3, and remaining constant b3 is equal to b4 is equal to so on, equal to all constants are 0. Means we get only non-zero constant b1 equal to 1 and b5 equal to 3. So expand equation 2, means expand this series for n equal to 1 to infinity. So therefore required temperature is u of xt is equal to, for n equal to 1 we can write b1 sine pi x by 2 into e to the power minus c square pi square t by 4, plus b2 is 0 here, plus b3 is 0, b4 is 0, plus b5 is 3. Right here b5 sine 5 pi x by 2 into e to the power minus c square 5 square pi square t by 4. So what is final answer here? Final answer is b1 sine pi x by 2 into e to the power minus c square pi square t by 4 plus 5 into sine 5 pi x by 2 into e to the power minus c square 25 pi t by 4. So this is the final answer. So next problem is same, you do at home this. Solve da by u by da by t equal to da by square u by da by x square. Here c is not given, so take c equal to 1 with boundary condition u of 0t equal to u of lt equal to 0, means when x is equal to length L, also temperature is 0, and when x equal to 0 temperature is 0, and initial temperature given is 3 sine pi x by L, and where x lies between 0 to L. So problem is same. You try this here. If we compare this with LHS with RHS, then we will get here b1 is equal to 3 and remaining constants are all 0. So thank you very much.